Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are going to be playing with pretty quick, I would say, and fast design. And it is also quite impressive for such an easy technique. That's some chrome nail art. Have a preview of it in here. My clients always love it when they see the cleaning process of the design, and I hope you will like to play with this technique as well. If you do, you can post it on our Facebook group so we can see it too. So let's start. Some fun nail art. So first of all, you can paint different colors of the background. Cameraman wanted a different background, but I'm going to annoy him and we will go for white. He's like, what are you doing? It's okay, it's just to show the technique. Yes, so you could do it on a different backgrounds, but we're going to use white one. So apply the top coat and then place it in. Cure it 30 seconds. Top coat this one. Now, just so I know how long it is, the tips curing, I'm going to do this two, then put them to the lamp and remove the other one just to start showing you the design. When you top coat it, try to check how the light is reflecting so there is no dust particles and things like that. And then grab some chromes. Because it might be messy, I'm actually going to put some baby wipe in here. Clean my finger a little bit. And then start the fun. I've got some silver one as well. Now on the darker background, the chromes are going to look more chromy. I have used the white one, so the chromes are not going to be as strong because they always need those dark background. So I'm going to grab some silver. Then turquoise. And just rub this in. Silver actually turned out quite nice on white. Okay, first one is done. That's the finish of the design. Then we will do some gold and rose gold. Again, guys, you can see it. I'm kind of mixing them all together. Here, I really like those rose gold one. But let's grab some red in here as well. Red wouldn't look strong on the white background. But it looks okay with the rose gold. Okay, and then, okay, I'm not going to use silver anymore. It turned out really nice, but no more silver, no more rose gold because we've got too much of it. I've got another chromes. I know what I will do. I will use another chromes. We've got like a set of... See, guys, this is so messy. If you're working with the chromes, always make sure you close them. That's why I'm not leaving it for later. I don't want to drop them on the floor. I know what I will do. Oh, this one, the angel one. I should do it before. Clean my finger. and do the angel chrome. So pretty. Fantastic. Now a little bit of theory behind this design. So if you would do it on the color, so say example here I would put pink, then I would put the top coat, then chrome. Your color is gonna be protected with this top coat, so you don't have to worry about removing it, okay? And then once you have completed this step, we are going to grab the top coat again. Gosh, my hands are so messy now. So clean my hands a little bit and then the liner brush. Let's start with this one. And I'm going to paint like easy shapes. Do not paint like hard shapes. So this is going to be some stars. She says easy shapes and then she paints the stars. They are painted with the top coat, so the things can be quite difficult to see. Is it visible on the camera?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm painting with triangle on the top, then I prolong it with 2 lines on the bottom, and then I do another 2 lines on the top, then join the things together. Now when you're painting with the top coat, you have to watch it for the top coat to spreading too much, because it's quite watery, especially when the temperatures in the room is high. Another one. That's why I also suggested you kind of choose pretty easy shapes. Probably stars are the most difficult one to choose for the design. And I have painted some large ones and now I'm just squeezing in some smaller ones. Okay, couple of the dots. And then cure our design. Next one, I quite like this one and we will create some stones in here. So I'm just painting very irregular stones. Now I'm going to remove this one because what I did with the dotting tool, you can see it, I have created a scratch. So just wipe it off, the chrome will come off. But I don't want the top coat over it, which means this space will be empty. So be more gentle with dotting tool. And I'm creating very irregular shapes, like you can see it. I'm not trying to make them rounded, just very irregular shapes. I'm actually liking it already, so just leave it the way it is and cure it. Hearts, 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 hearts in here, because it's such a nice one. So 2 dots, then join it in. Keep watching how the top coat is spreading, because if you start seeing it's changing the shape, then I suggest you do the flash cure. And my clients are always quite impressed for this design, like the way they always like, but how? Okay, cook it. Cameraman, what you want on this one? Zebra print? Yeah. Yes, zebra print, okay. So zebra print. And then cure it. And then see the magic. So once we have completed our cooking and the designs, we can take this one, grab the blue scrap and just clean it everything properly. And what will happen is the chrome, which was just on the top coat, is going to come off, and it will only stay in the places where we've got the...
When we cover it with top coat.
Yes, exactly. The places where we covered with the top coat. I mean, you have to spend some time to really scrape it off properly. Like go in between, because otherwise it's not going to look nice. So you have to really clean it properly, like you cannot leave it like this. Okay, this one should be clean. It is actually, it is really clean. And it can go to our collection here. I love this one. See, I think the effect is awesome. It looks very interesting. Next one, what we've got in here. Oh, the stars ones. The stars. Let's see how they turn it out. Actually quite good. I like the fact that we have done those little dots. So again, scrape it really well. Okay, that's it nicely clean. Clean my hands as well from the excess of the product. I will just go and wash them straight away. Even my blue tag got cleaned. So guys, you ask me this question as well quite often, how do I secure the things? I do secure the things with the tiny bit of the blue tack, so that's the stars. Really pretty. Next one. So the hearts. The hearts probably will be quite hardly visible because it's just an angel chrome. You could do it actually on the ombre background. And this chrome stays on so well. That will be probably the most difficult one to clean. No, they are visible, they're nice as well. Okay, so we've got another one. The hearts. You can see them. Yes, you can see them in the camera. And the last one, the zebra print. Actually, this one might be pretty interesting too. The fact that we made it ombre with the chrome, like a silver and a blue, I can see it clearly, those ombre there. So again, clean it really well. And then let's place them properly. So this one here, this one there, this one here, this one there. I always like to have the things in a correct order, so they kind of go with each other as well. There we are. That's what we have created. And I want to show you at all the angles, so you can see it like at that angle. It's making it really 3D. I think I love this one the most because it looks the most interesting. But I hope guys you have really enjoyed this tutorial. That's a cool view too. Yeah, I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and bye for now.